Hey, Miss Portillo here, and I just want to say that I am absolutely in love with the webcam that I purchased from you guys. So let me show you how that looks like. So if you see here, the quality is absolutely amazing. So although I do have a Chromebook here, I like to use my desktop at school because I have all my items there, all my files, everything is on there, and I can actually teach and use my dock camera as well. So if you notice here, while I'm teaching, I can look there, and I can also use it for my dock camera. So your webcam has amazing, what do you call it? I can see perfectly. It looks beautiful. It's not lagging. It's amazing. I love it. Thank you guys.
The camera is $35, so you get about what your money's worth is. The microphone on the camera itself is a little bit loud. I currently have it turned down about 30% from what its base value is. This is the box. It's $35, so you don't want it to be particularly fancy of a box. No packing foam or anything like that. Comes with a small instructional thing. That is about it. The camera is actually 110 degrees for its angle, though the page says 90 degrees.
Great quality.
It's been very productive, actually.
John joined Young and Hart 10 years ago after his friend Joe dragged him to a rehearsal.
So as you can see, this is just a test. This is a test of the camera. I personally love it. I'm using this camera for video conferencing, and it works beautifully. What I end up doing is I end up sitting it up on top of my television set, and it really works really good. It's got great video. Everyone says the quality is fantastic. Who I conference with. So there you have it. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.
Alright, so I'm actually doing a review. This is the third take on the GESMA Webcam, right, for $30. I'm trying to test it in a low light setting. This is now pointed inside of my desk from IKEA. And I'm actually using an inside voice as I'm speaking, something you would use to speak in a library setting. And I found that even using this volume of voice with a mic about 2 feet away from me, the volume does sort of bleed. Okay, so I'm also using a screen capture software, OBS. Right, so hopefully this is somewhat informative. I will likely be using this for my entertainment gig at a senior citizen home. I've tried to stream some live gameplay footage of NES Pictionary speedruns for the local Tulsa, Oklahoma NES speedrun community. Anyways, this is pretty cool. The clamp, I can say, is a little difficult to work with. I had to plug this webcam into a few of the USB slots to finally get it working, as you can see. Alright, this concludes my review. 5 stars on all front.